5 animals that you didn't know were endangered species. This is the hawksbill turtle, and only about 10,000 of these things remain. This is a Javan rhinoceros, and only about 7 of these guys live today. These are mountain gorillas, and only about 1,000 of these things remain. This is a sayola, and only about 1,000 of these things remain as well. This is a vaquita, and they are the most endangered porpoise on Earth, with only 10 individuals surviving today. If you guys don't want any animals to go extinct, go ahead and hit that follow button.